Okurugirira ahababi kwerinda bebembirwe SP Tai Ramadan ikikorwa eki eky'obwinazi kibireho bwanyuma y'omugenzi okugezaho kwenda kuruga omu maka gaabo ekiretire omwisire okukizona na bwanyuma akamushanga omunju atyo akamucumitisa emisyo.
She came, she found the husband at home, she greeted the husband and entered the bedroom to pick a few of her belongings. So when the husband realized that she's packing some things in the house, she went inside to lock the door, and that's where this happened. Unfortunately, the result was not good.
Polisi eyabwera division bagamba ko abarawukire kuhika aha mwanya nokwe kwata oli kuteekateekwaho okuba niwayisire omukazi ogu kandi ogu niwiba nikwo kugira ngu nibija kweyongerayo na nokugenda omu mission ebyokucondoza.
Of course, our charge right now is murder, is a suspect murder case. Yes, there could be other cases there, but now the murder case stands out. So that is what we are pursuing now. So I believe in the soonest time we can be able to arraign him before the courts of law.
SP Tai Ramadan yayongeragira ngu polisi yatandikire okucondoza ahanshonga yakubasa kuba niyerugirireho okwitwa okomugenzi.
Spriana is 65-year-old retired police officer who is a resident of Nachihunga. And we realized that it is a domestic violence which had been in this family.
Tayari West yagambaho na nabataka kandi aba bagira ngu heshonga yona nebasa kwa nerugirira aha mihondano eyo mu maka.
Omukali abe naberepanga bar betu omurume eshamutrech obutruku obarutwanga naminyutu oyu nimukali nimwira wayi neru babere bukabi ewiki eyindi eyihwere eyama labo kwemulyo akwema ayatuma unzeyi awmasimu yiwe emulya namba eyikamutera bulesa inabe handikayo omama no omukali amarondi omundu amamubwera ati akoleki amulebere esimu eyo.
Habwire obutwakorera makoraga polisi yatwara ombiri g'omugenzi ahirwariro eryabwera General Hospital. Makoraga gashakwa alinaitwe Godwin Bwambale ahabwa Tayari West Omuri Kasese.